For the ultimate convenience and reliability, look no further than Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals for dumpster rental in Midlothian, Texas. Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals is here to help with fast, reliable service tailored to your needs. Whether it's a small home project or a large-scale construction site, we have the perfect dumpster waiting for you. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures you'll find the right fit for any job. We serve with professionalism and dedication, making waste removal simple and hassle-free. At Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals, our waste management service is ideal for a variety of projects. Our dumpster rental service offers a convenient and efficient solution for trash removal, disposal of a hot tub, or managing foreclosure cleanouts. Booking a dumpster is quick and easy with our streamlined online system. Just select your preferred size, choose your delivery date, and let us handle the rest. We prioritize punctuality, ensuring your dumpster arrives on time and is promptly picked up when your job is done. We know that customer service matters, which is why our friendly, knowledgeable team is always ready to assist. Our dumpsters at Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals are maintained to the highest standards, ensuring they're clean, durable, and ready for any project. Don't wait. Take the stress out of your next project with our convenient dumpster rental services. Visit us at www.firedogdumpsters.com Dumpster Rental Midlothian TX or call 682-200-9101. Experience the difference with Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals, where reliable service and customer satisfaction are our top priorities.